And the sixth one is the classification of plant diseases on the basis of method of purification and mode of primary infection. It is divided into three parts. The first one is soil-borne, second one is airborne, third one is seed-borne. In soil-borne plant diseases, the pathogens survive in soil or on infested plant debris lying in soil either as their resting spores or as mycelial strands and rhizomorphs. Its examples are root rot, seedlings blight, wilt. And the second one is airborne. The microorganisms are spread through air and attack the plants, causing diseases. Its examples are blight, rust, and powdery mildew. The third one is plant diseases due to seed-borne plant diseases. The microorganisms are carried along with seeds. Its examples are damping out. The seventh, the classification of plant diseases on the basis of parts of host affected. The first one is root disease. The root rot, its example is root rot disease of in chili. The second one is stem disease. Its example is gummosis in citrus. Third one is fruit diseases. Its example is fruit rot in fruit rot disease. Fourth is foliage diseases. Its example is leaf spot diseases. Fifth is vascular diseases. Its example is vascular wilt or of brinjal. The eighth is the classification of plant diseases on the basis of types of plants and their effect. It takes place cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts, or and oilseeds. So this is the classification of plant disease. See here, very best classification of plant disease. We'll see all the part. This one, classification of plant diseases. First we see the classification of plant diseases on the basis of type of pathogen that causes the disease, and the second one is classification of plant diseases on the basis of causes of plant disease, and the third one is classification of plant diseases on the basis of symptoms produced. Fourth one is on the basis of occurrence and geographic distribution, and fifth one is on the basis of number of generations of infection. Sixth one is on the basis of method of purchase and mode of primary infection, and seventh one is on the basis of parts of host affected, and the eighth one is on the basis of type of plants they affect. So this one is we completed the classification of plant diseases. In next video we can see the all the diseases in very by using the pictures of diseases. So thank you friends.